What's up, guys? This is Will H of Will H Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today, going to be taking a look at the PenFoldEdition. So I'm kind of late to the party on this. I've had the Z Fold 3 on 2 different occasions, and this is my first time picking up the S Pen. Now, I've been using the Z Fold 3 as my daily driver here lately, and I was using my S22 Ultra as my daily drive, and I always use the S Pen on it. So I decided to go ahead and pick this S Pen up for this device. Now, I just repurchased the Z Fold 3 about a month ago, and people like, why did you do that? The Z Fold 4 is coming out, and to be honest, I don't think I'm going to pick up that device. From what I'm seeing and hearing about it, I think I may just stick with the Z Fold 3 since I like folding devices. You guys follow my channel, you know I have the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 as well. So since I'm using this as my daily driver, I picked up the pen. Now, we'll see if it works as good as it does on my S22 Ultra. So here's the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, PenFoldEdition. This costs about $40 on Amazon. And also, I've been using this sub case, Unicorn Beetle Pro case, and it has a slot for the S Pen here. So that was another reason. Now, this is a big, bulky case, but I feel good using it because it offers the most protection I think you can get right now. And so we'll see how this goes. So let's go ahead and get into the box and check out the pen. All right, guys, so there's a little bit of piece of tape here. Go ahead and get that cut, and then we'll check out the S Pen. And I know it doesn't work on the outside of it, and if I do decide to pick up the Fold 4, I'm hoping that this works with that device as well. So, and the packaging, you're going to get your paperwork here, probably like a user's manual or something like that. This is some extra tips for the S Pen, so that's nice. They give us some extra tips. This looks like about 3 extra tips in there in case you burn out the first one on there. You get a little carrying case, which is nice. And then here's the S Pen. Quite a bit bigger than the one on the S22 Ultra, what I know it would be. So here it is. And just for size comparison for my Tab S8 Ultra, here's the S Pen here. So a little bit smaller than the one on the tablet. You got some branding here. Now this one does have a button right here. Not sure if this has the Bluetooth functionality, but here it is inside of this little sleeve here. That's what it's going to look like. And I'm not sure if this pairs. I know it doesn't work on the outside display. Let's see if I have to do any kind of pairing or it works right out of the box. That's great. So strolling around, looks like it's going to be great. See if I can select something. So no issues. So this is going to be great. That'll help keep my screen in pretty good condition. Let's go ahead and open up my notes. Let's go ahead and pull this back. All right, so I got the notes open. I'm going to choose this color here. I guess that was some kind of little introductory there. Let's see. Let's go with, there it is. Actually writes pretty good, man. I think this is low latency as well. Let's change the pen here and the color. Oh yeah. So this is going to be great. Like I said on my, did I spell that right? Now can I erase with this? Let's see. Let me go ahead and press the button. Yeah. Just press the button on there and I can erase. So there it is. So let's go ahead and try something like copy and paste. I'll go ahead and open up the Best Buy app here. And let's click on this Chromebook here. Let's see. If I just hold down on it, there's nothing going on. So I'm going to have to press the button. and that will allow me to copy what I need to, and then it comes up with the option to copy it there. And then I'm going to go back into my notes here and just hold down, and I can paste that in place right there. So that's going to be very handy as well. So I'm glad I picked this up. And like I said, if I decide to get the Note 4, then hopefully this will work with that as well. So let's go ahead and pop it in the case, and there it is. So I'll drop a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. I'm quite sure everybody that wants this, it's been out so long, have it already, but I'll drop it anyway. I'm Will H. This is Will H. Gadgets and More. I'm out.